and the last. Over.
Sales and Gandhi first and Thomas Ford.
Avoid part-times or fees corresponds to legal fees. The service cycle
Ano ba dyan? Naimutay ko kung tulo. Kasi siya na tulo. Kaya ang importante yung tulo. Di ba na yan ang PRC kung wala ang tulo? Someone's praying for you this very day. We hear it as 1 John 5:14 that if we ask anything according to His will. Yeah.
Out of 3,434, 1,906 passed, 19,000 enrolled in the College of Medicine. Out of the 19,000, only 4,900 finished their courses. The attrition rate has always been in the vicinity or range of 70 to 80%. Not completing their courses, that you belong to the 20%, 24% out of so many thousands. You belong to the 24% who finished the medical course and who passed, di ba? Ako, inaasahan ko yung sinasabi sa Tagalog na nasala na yung batch na yan. From 19,000, 4,000 lang nag-graduate. Know that you are very proud that you now have full-fledged, registered and licensed medical practitioners. My best wishes and prayers go with you as you start your professional lives as physicians. You are welcome to visit us in our offices kung may time kayo. But hopefully, you will not go to PRC because you were directed by the legal division. Alam ko na, alam nyo na ang ibig kong sabihin. So again, congratulations to the batch of April 2024. Thank you very much for your kind attention.
I
State your name.
state your name. Husband Baldos.
Hereby solemnly swear
Hereby solemnly swear
as a registered and licensed physician.
as a registered and licensed physician.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations to all.
As a member of the medical profession,
As a member of the medical profession,
I solemnly pledge to dedicate my life to the service of humanity.
I solemnly pledge to dedicate my life in the service of humanity. I will not use my medical knowledge to violate human rights and civil liberties even under threat.
I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor.
I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor.
Congratulations.
Pay your taxes willingly and promptly. Do not leave for tomorrow what you can do today. Cultivate the habit of using goods made in the Philippines. Patronize the products and trades of your countrymen. Do not traffic with your citizenship.
First and foremost, I would like to congratulate the 1,906 new Filipino 5-star physicians. Becoming a physician has never been, is not, and will never be easy. Because the efforts demanded of us to save a human life will never be easy. You and I are tangible evidence that every dream is attainable through dedication and genuine intentions. I too had planned 30-minute power naps that turned into a complete 8-hour sleep due to exhaustion. Seek out and build the best version of ourselves. And that is why we are here today, finally, as full-fledged physicians. And to each of the parents and loved ones of the 1,906 new physicians who had bled and sweat every day for us, maraming salamat po. Your son or daughter whom once you cradled to sleep, who may have been admitted to a hospital but was saved, will now embark on a journey of service. He or she will care for another family's child, will aid another family's mother or father, and will become an agent of healing one life at a time. May God bless us, and once again, congratulations to all.